Welcome to pack opening episode 137. Today we have this Chinese Primodial RCS3AC flat pack, 25 cards per pack. So let's open and see what the hits we get from this pack. This will guarantee one hit for sure. Hopefully there will be 2-3 hits. So let's see. Here are cards. Available whipping bell, right? Okay, Ribombi. So many common and uncommon cards. Okay. Now move on to the rare. Okay, Cinderella's and second rare. Okay, it's a Lucan, right? And what we get? Triple rare. It's a triple rare. I think it's, I don't remember the name. So we got a triple rare and okay, just the reverse, 2 of the reverse. So we got this triple rare.